Hi, this is Mr. Titanium, i.e. Richard Wagner, your host, Richard Wagner. I am so happy to be here. In today's episode, we're going to review the Viltrox 85 Pro 1.4 lens. Brand new. It's actually right here, wrapped up. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my Christmas present. And my wife allowed me to open the box and take like a handful of shots so that I could evaluate the lens. So anybody who would be interested in purchasing it, this is going to be my honest evaluation. One thing that you should know is that the monies for this lens were dished out by ourselves. I should say my wife. I always say me, but it's our money. So when she gets a gift, it's us getting a gift for each other, and she's happy to do so. So, all right. So let me start off by saying that I can't wait to open the box and use the lens. So from just the little that I've used it, all I could do is just think about wanting to put this lens onto my camera and use it. I was so impressed with the image quality, but there's some caveats. So, all right. So my review is limited because I've only had 10 minutes with the lens. You can't really evaluate a lens in like 10 minutes, but I was utterly impressed with the image quality, and we're going to look at that in a few moments. But here's some of the caveats that I noticed right off the bat with the lens. First of all, great lens, fantastic build quality, feels really good in the hands. It's like it's sturdy. You can tell that it's metal and it's heavy, and it just feels good. And it's not too big, because like one of the things that happens is, check this out. I have a 50, the 1.2 50, and it is huge. And I love the image quality, and it's great, but I don't carry this guy around with me. It's not my daily driver. Instead, I use this thing, the 1.8, because it's a lot easier to carry around and manipulate. The 1.2 is really very specialized and kind of heavy and awkward and a beast. So much of a beast that I really don't utilize it that much. However, that's not the case with the 85. The 85 is perfect. I loved how buttery the bokeh was. The one negative aspect about this particular lens is that the focusing is a little bit slow. I was accustomed to their lab lens. This is Viltrox's 135 lab. Lab is one level up from their professional. And this, wow, what a great lens. It focuses so quickly. I love the lens. It gives you great results. But the Pro lens, its motor is just, I think, a little bit slower. It's not quite as snappy. Absolutely acceptable, but not the type of lens that you'd use like if you were doing action shooting. It's not a sports lens, okay? You're not going to do it for taking pictures of wildlife or stuff like that. It's too slow in the focus. But with that said, let's go take a look at some images. What a magnificently sharp lens. I highly recommend this. By all means, this is a great Christmas present. I can't wait to open mine. However, like with all good things, there is some bittersweetness. Bye-bye, trusty friend. May you find a new home with somebody who will love you just as much as me.